Dow Jones is recovering the August high from the rallies that had happened in late June. This is a major top where that trend line is drawn right there, my friends. Now, when we take a look at the last several trading days, we have not been able to clear that. And at the very moment, we're not really extremely overbought at all, okay? But we are hitting that now. If we can break the August high, which is still right up there at that high, was put in at 34,161. That is that August 16th. And straight down we went. Now, what I am saying is that it's still in the seasonality, but we do have negative divergence on the daily buy and sell signal, the MACD, okay? And we do. So my point is, everybody, that we have rallied extremely well. We called that big rally. Now, let's take a look at the weekly chart. That is the weekly top on the weekly. That trend line that's drawn right there, that was an August high reversal. Straight down, we have rallied off of the lows when we called it now. It's on the YouTube channel, and that was 28,715, and we're currently had hit the high there at 33,987. That is the weekly take on the Dow. Now, back to the daily chart. When we go back to the daily, once again, we have not been able to break through it. If we do, we still would have some upside, and we would be looking at 34,100, okay? So there is still a little bit more room to go if we can break out. If we break out, then we are starting a new uptrend in the Dow, because that was the August high reversal, okay? August 14th, 16th. And that is the trend line. And resistance is resistance. So I want everyone to be aware. This is the consolidation part of that top where I just drew the trend line here. So we understand that. Now, let us guide you through these markets. This is when we called the October low. That is when markets put lows in, just like last year, but we were in a bull market, and the bear market started in November of last year, of 21. And 22 has been miserable. Now, with all of the fears that have come out of the market, the fear levels are not high. So we understand that the sustainability of this short-term rally, which is very extraordinary, is that we don't see where it will hold. We do not. The Dow gives us the complete look of the Dow 30 stocks that have ran it, and we're due for a pullback. We are, because the chart says that we did get slammed from here down to the low, and we tested that gap up low right here on this bar right there. So beware, everybody. And if it fails, then we'll use the diamond puts to trade the Dow down when that happens. Now, every bear market rally has failed this year, but we're in the seasonality period right now, and we put the lows in for 2022. That's 100%. The Fed's going to keep doing what it's going to do, but recognizing the trend and knowing when to sell is going to be the key. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Let us power you with all of the indexes. But this is a major update on the Dow.